YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family. Retro gang gang. It's your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Look, enjoying this Friday. I hope you are. I'm outside on Irene, old school. I just left. Y'all follow my stories on IG. I just left. Excuse the noise. Y'all gonna hear that. Y'all gonna hear planes flying over. So, look, it's gonna be, you know, a little raw video. I'm gonna give y'all something raw, but I got the heat behind me. You can believe that. So let's get right back into it. I just follow me on my stories, like I was saying, on IG. I just left Atlanta again, helping out other people. We fed breakfast. Me and Maddie got up and got donuts for everybody before I dropped them off at school. And we took cases of water and gave our clothes. Shout out to my boy Lord Serious 101 on IG. He gave me some clothes to give away. And I did what I was supposed to do with them. And I appreciate you, family, Retro family. We thank you. So look, this is what I'm all talking about giving back. You know I'm going to keep y'all linked in the forum game. Ain't nothing changed. So let's get right into it. I hope y'all enjoying y'all Friday once again. So look, these don't come out to Saturday. So I got them early. Shout out to my boy Certified for letting me get an early review. We got the Jordan 13s on that game. They come up like an atmosphere gray. So let's get right into it. We got the Jordan. It's not the OG colorway. I hope everybody's showing, you know, shit. I'm gonna get up to make sure you are. We got the like suede or nubuck material. This may be synthetic leather. Y'all leave a comment. I'm gonna tell you now. I think that's synthetic. I like the leather. Look, crocodile, man. You know how I say buttery. This buttery right here, crocodile. You know what me and Maddie say. It's good here, but this part they could have did better on. But I will tell you one thing. I'm gonna keep y'all linked in the forum. Let me show you the other shoe. These not only coming out on the sneaker app, right? They only coming out on the Nike sneaker app. Have that ready. If they don't sell out on the sneaker app, of course you can get them on Nike.com. But they're not gonna be at most of the stores like Foot Locker, Champs, Finish Line, none of the websites. You'll check. You'll see what I'm talking about. But they will have them at like City Gear and Jimmy Jazz. So I don't know. Nike, y'all trying to make them sell out? Y'all let me know. Leave a comment below. Once again, let's get. I had to keep y'all linked in and let y'all know what was going there. Let's get back into this video. So up here on these, you got the laces here. You got the dots on the laces, and then you got like some holes perforated, like holes. Well, not even perforated, but like dotted holes going in. Once again, you got the hologram, the sticker right here. This is not my pair, so I'm not gonna do it on foot. We're not waking the dead on this one, gang. So I'm just giving you the early review on these. Like, come out tomorrow, keeping y'all linked. Y'all leave a comment, Carbon 5 and bottom. You think they sit or lit? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till maybe they go on sale. I don't know if they don't hit the outlet on me looking crazy. But I'm gonna wait on this particular pair. I do like the colorway because I don't got too many gray shoes with this gray blocking. So I do like that. I'm gonna keep that going. I do like that gray blocking. So let's put these back in the box. So look, y'all know Air Max Day, gang. It's March 26th, Tuesday, right? I don't know if I'm gonna be at Soul Play. I don't know if I'm gonna be at the Pop-Up. But either way, your boy gonna be fresh. I need y'all help on this, right? So look, gang, this is what we finna do. Don't go nowhere, because I'm gonna show y'all something at the end of the video. You can leave if you want. You know how I say me and Maddie videos be different. Get that one out the way. So these are a couple of shoes that I picked up. Size 12, my size. Got the Vapor Max, man. It's kind of like the What the Packs to me. They dope. I'm not finna lie. These are dope. These are dope. Right, you got this particular shoe. You got the lime green shoelaces. Of course, you know how your boy feel about the Vapor Max. You can rock these all day long. Spring is here, of course. Hey, look, and Aries season is here. Shout out to all the Aries. It's blue. You got the green. You got the, like the peachy. I ain't gonna say peach, but man, that color's popping. You got the gray. Then the other shoe. Each shoe is different. They call random. I call them what the Vapor Max, but they're actually random. Each shoe you're going to get is going to be different. I'm thinking about going back and get another pair for Maddie just to see how her shoe is going to come out. So you got the maroon laces on this one. You still got that blue popping. So let me know, gang. Y'all want me to rock these on Tuesday? So this is number one. If y'all want me to rock these, leave a comment. Number one. So got that out the way, gang. Let me show you right here. This number 2 option. Well, I ain't gonna say number 2, but we're gonna call these number 2. We're gonna let y'all vote, YouTube, this time. You know, your boy got that Nike. Have a Nike day. You know I had to do it to you, right? 97s. Picked these up with my boy. Out there at the mall. My boy took me to Cumberland. We got these out here at Cumberland Mall. So, see what they going for. Let me know if y'all want me to rock these. These number 2, Vapor Max 97. Either way, let me show you what's in the bag. This is an option to go with number 2. If not, I'm gonna get another fit for number 1. You got the, you got the jacket here, the windbreaker, the match the shoes. Either where I'm gonna be at, Soul Play, or even the pop-up, that Tuesday, I got something for y'all, gang. Wherever I'm at, follow me on my feed. Like, your boy always giving back. I might even have some raffle tickets with me. Or I might go live and tell a certain person or leave a comment. That's why I need to go back and watch them videos on YouTube. It might be something about the family. It might be something about vacation. I'm going to have something for Tuesday no matter where I'm at. 2 sizes. I'm going to have 2 sizes wherever I pop up at. So let's get into this real quick. Let's go get into the other one. This is option number 3, gang. Retro family. Got the 90s. Chilling with this, of course, with the jacket. Y'all let me know. Still, I have a Nike Day pack. I love this one because they got the smiley face on the back. And me and my girls, we all got the same shoe. Everybody got this shoe. So that's an option. We can rock this with the fam. I can say this around my birthday time. Y'all let me know. So we got the Vapor Max, the randoms, the 2018 Vapor Max. Option 2, we got the 97. Y'all help me out, gang. For real. Y'all know me keep y'all linked in the forum. Y'all help me out this time. I need a little help on this one. And like I said, wherever I pop up at that Tuesday on Air Max Day 326, well, I got y'all, man. Don't worry about it. So look, let me show y'all where I got the kids real quick. Like I told y'all, we got the shoes that match with this. So I had to get my daughters, the producer, and actually Mia, their birthday just passed last week. Once again, shout out to the birthday girl. They got the pouches to match their shoes. I got 2 of them. One for both. You call them pouches, fanny packs. I'm not rocking them, but the girls will. You can believe that. So don't think there's no thumbnail or nothing crazy. I hope they don't use this for a thumbnail. If I don't use a thumbnail, that'll be messed up if y'all see this as a thumbnail, right? Don't play with your boy. You know what's going on. So we're gonna put them there. So look, well, I'm gonna show you what I'm rocking. Actually, what I got on. See the Retro Gang hat. I got the a cool gear on. Got some fatigue polo pants. And I got the Black Hat 13s. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show y'all the whole fit. Don't worry about it. But let me show y'all something special, gang. So what's going on? Stick the box. See what's going on. Y'all see the price tag. My pair's official. I don't know what's been going on online. I got my pair from the pop-up. Receipt. Let me set this here. Receipt's in the bag. Pop-up action. These are the collab. I'm gonna try to pronounce the name. Maddie not here to help me. They saying Women Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2LXX. I'm gonna leave it at that. I think it's a Swarovski or a Swarovski. I know I'm saying it wrong. Y'all probably laughing at me. Look, gang. These are lit. That's why I'm out here. I wanted to show y'all these in the sun. So I hope y'all kept watching the whole video. And then I'm gonna show y'all what I got on foot. We're gonna wait the dead. These girls here. These are actually, each crystal is hand set. Everyone's saying this.
Yeah.
Especially in the sun.
Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro?
Vapor Max bottom. Just like the Vapor Max behind me, but these didn't cost that much. Like, when I took the picture online, it's not doing it any justice. That's why I had to bring it out to actually show you what's going on with the shoe. It's just blinging me now. I'm just thinking of Michael Jackson, a Billie Jean, a glove.
All the haters, they drowning the drip.
Beyonce dancing these. Man, these things are lit.
Retro Gang,
got these from my wife.
Check out the channel, was full of content. Matty Kicks was sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro Gang.
Nice.
Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. Nike lines
You know what I'm saying, gang?
man.
Let's get into it right now.
Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peak.
3M.
That brother Pan
It's nice outside today.
Getting blessed by the best.
Really is.
So how could he lose? Drip game, retro game, and Matty Kicks, keeping it lit, man. Drip game, retro game, and Matty Kicks, keeping it lit, man. Drip game, retro game.
I'm gonna start doing my own foot, so when I'm actually wearing, plus I say on foot, not on feet.
Drip game, retro game.
People, me and Maddie, we got y'all.
Keeping it lit, man.
That's your boy Waking the Dead. Pick the phone right up. I told you this video gonna be raw. You know what I say, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend, man. We love y'all, man. Stay strong, stay double strong. Whole lot of gang, man. We out. Gang, retro family. I told y'all videos be different. I'm gonna give y'all a head start. I'm gonna have a size 8 at the pop-up at Soul Play. And I'm gonna have a size, let's get a small size 8. And I'm gonna do 11. I'm gonna get an 8 and a size of 11. Shoes gonna be on me and Maddie. It's gonna be a raffle. Keeping y'all lit in the forum. I told y'all, watch all the videos all the way through. You never know when me and Maddie gonna pop up. We love y'all, for real, man. Retro family. We couldn't do this without y'all. Let's get it.